half a smiling look on everyone's face. Sir, a few words would be nice. Sunil sir, we'll start with you.
Good evening, everybody. A very happy Diwali to all. That was a dhamakedar trailer with a dhamakedar combination of Ajay and Prabhu Deva sir. We are very happy to produce this film with Gordon ji, and it's full-on entertainer film, as you all watched on the trailer. And I would like to wish all the best to the entire team, and hope you all enjoy this film on 5th of December releasing. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Already I can see a full house here, तो मुझे लग रहा है कि like I said, it's a very good omen. Gordon ji, आपके बेटे भी यहाँ पे हैं, so I can see that there's the family line that has already gone into the filmdom. तो पहले आपसे सुन लेंगे, then we'll speak to your son.
Okay. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for coming over here, giving us the time. Happy Diwali and Happy New Year in advance. This is an action film basically. Genre is action with fun, and this is a complete entertainment film. It's well made by Prabhu Deva ji, and balanced. You have seen everything. Thank you.
Shukriya, sir. And before I come to Ajay sir, we'll just speak to Nikhil, you, because your dad is here. You're standing on the same stage as him. ये आपने सोचा था इतनी जल्दी हो जाएगा?
Actually, सोचा तो नहीं था. It's my first film with him, and it's been a good experience. Learning from Prabhu sir, Ajay sir, and everyone else, and it's the right project to take the movie and the industry and the company ahead for me. It's awesome, and
it helps when you have big stars also, no?
Yeah.
So you're sure that you will get some big numbers also.
Definitely. And it's a fabulous film. It's a family entertainer, and I'm sure everyone's going to really enjoy it.
Thanks so much. And the tallest member of the group, standing there silently in the middle, Ajay sir, a few words from you as well.
I think everybody said the same. I would be repeating. So.
Thank you very much. A big round of applause for them, and do stay on stage, sir. I would like to call one of the most soft-spoken gentlemen I know. I was 5 years old when I was watching him on television at that point of time, and I never understood how he did a lot of his dance moves. But when I see his films, I always wonder कि sir में काफी violent streak है. और आज I would like to call this gentleman who has no comparison in Bollywood. चाहे वो उनकी dance के साथ हो, now with his blockbusters that he's making, and like I said once again, perhaps the most soft-spoken person I know in Bollywood. Prabhu Deva sir, a big round of applause for him. Sir, yes, you make very violent films, sir. लेकिन otherwise, when I see you, sir, you are perhaps the most gentle person I know. मुझे लगता नहीं है कि you can hurt a fly also, sir. So, where does this violent streak come from?
Happy Diwali and good evening. No idea.
That is Prabhu Deva sir for you. 2 words and maybe 4. But I like this. This was a project. It was a nice task. You have a superstar who doesn't really need to even say anything. When he comes on screen, I don't think anybody has a better screen presence than Ajay sir. But you also chose, along with the action, to get your genre in also. That was dance. Are you a difficult taskmaster on the set? Are you very difficult to deal with?
No. That you have to ask with them. But no, I'm very easy.
6 words. We're moving forward, sir. Sonakshi Sinha. Sonakshi is a mascot, and I think every time she's there in the film, it's a lucky charm for you. Maybe a little more about her. Her on the set, and today, ladies and gentlemen, she has a prior commitment. She won't be able to join us, but it would be nice. Now that she's not sitting here, you can probably say more things about her.
Yeah. No, as you said, Sonakshi, I have already spoken more about her, and she's very professional, and what to say? She's good. She fits in the role, and also in 3 heroines are there. Thanks to her for accepting this film.
Just before I move on, sir, with the Starcast, how do you visualize such a film? I mean, when one thinks of an action film, one usually has various thoughts in mind. But when you actually come to making a film like this, is it difficult? Do you like to make your life very difficult? Because so many days are involved in shooting this kind of cinema. Others would like to make simple films, but you don't choose a simple path. Why is that?
I don't know to answer it, but it's our dream. So I'm not like that. So my dream is that. So I thought I will do it.
Wonderful. Like I said, the most soft-spoken gentleman in Bollywood. Big round of applause for Mr. Prabhu Deva sir. And now I would like to call on stage perhaps one of the prettiest women in Bollywood. Every time we see her, we say, "Hi, she's so beautiful." And perfect as she is, sitting right there in front of us, Yami Gautam, can we please have you on stage? A big round of applause for her. And of the three ladies right here, let's have a big hello to the public and to the entire media here before I ask you a couple of questions.
Hello everybody. I hope you all enjoyed the trailer. In fact, even I was watching it for the first time and I absolutely loved it, sir. I think I'll keep it very short and very simple. I've already told Prabhu sir I've been his fan since Urvashi days, so there's no way I could not do this film when I got this opportunity. I've enjoyed watching all his films and it was great time shooting with him. And I think as far as Ajay sir is concerned, he's one of the most phenomenal actors and the biggest stars we have today. And it was absolutely a delight to work with him. And thank you, Sunil sir, Dhanwani sir, Ajay sir, and Nikhil for this opportunity. Even with Sonakshi, I think she's one of the most sweetest co-stars, Manas Faye and everybody. So, and I hope that you'll enjoy the movie also as much as you, I think, like the trailer. Thank you.
I'm not letting you go that easily first.
Okay,
When I see Prabhu sir, I get very scared. Imagine if I have to dance next to him. Were you ever scared? Now, I have not seen you dance that much, but are you a good dancer?
Prabhu sir, can you answer this at least?
No. First we will have you. Were you scared when you first saw him? कि पता नहीं क्या करवाएंगे? क्या मैं prepared हूँ? आपने क्या 4 महीने की extra classes ली थी आने से पहले?
Absolutely, of course. He's very, has a very intimidating kind of, especially his silence is very intimidating. But when I spoke to him, when he talks, he's as soft-spoken as a director, as a person he comes across, on stage, in his interviews and whenever he talks. And I was definitely very scared, but I think it made it very, very easy for me. I think he's one of the most, as much as a fabulous choreographer and dancer and director he is, he's at the same time the most softest and most easiest to work with, which is, I think, great.
Wonderful. A big round of applause for Yami Gautam. I've got a little treat in store for you. We don't have another heroine right now, but we have a gentleman who's very sweet, and I like it. Every time he smiles, it makes me smile as much as when I look at you. Kunal Roy Kapoor, a big round of applause for him as well. One of the wittiest in the industry. I've set the benchmark for you. So where do you fit in, Kunal, in this lovely little action, dance, romantic bit?
I'm one of the heroines.
Oh, is it?
I didn't. Everyone get that?
You've transformed pretty quickly, actually.
I'm one of the main heroines in the movie.
But otherwise, yeah, this big magnum opus. I don't know why we don't see more often. आप ज़्यादा दिखना नहीं चाहते हैं क्या? ऐसा आपने सोचा है क्या?
No, I'm a little picky about the movies that I do, and it was an honor to be offered a film with Ajay sir and with Prabhu sir, and with wonderful producers. It was very difficult for me not to be a part of this movie, and I'm just really grateful that I am, because I got to see a side of Prabhu sir. I mean, I've seen his work as a dancer, but as a director, he's got such a clear vision of what he wants, and it's just amazing to see someone like that on set who's got the entire, everything in his mind, and he's just going about executing it very, very professionally. It was wonderful to observe that, and it was great to be a part of this project.
तो आपने बोला आपने कोई और साइड देखा इनका और पहले वो डांसिंग, बट आपके कोई प्रीकंसीव नोशंस थे कि मैं प्रभु सर से जब मिलूंगा, ऑब्वियसली पहले भी आप मिले थे लेकिन सेट पर, कि ये कैसे होंगे, और सडनली फर्स्ट डे में सब कुछ अलग हो गया?
Actually, the first time I met him, I started dancing in front of him just to tell him that I can dance. So I started doing my moves and all that stuff. Then he said, "I won't make you dance in the movie. It's very clear." And then I started speaking. He said, "I'll keep your dialogues also to a minimum." It's made basically a lot of visual humor that we finally decided on.
He's always very modest and humble. A big round of applause for Kunal Roy Kapoor. And a lady we're introducing in this movie, very hot on screen. Manasvi, I hear that she's also come into the house. Can we have you on stage, please? Oh, there she is. Big round of applause for her as well. Very muted applause everywhere. Thank you. Yes.
Hi. Good evening, everyone.
How are you? It's good to have you on stage. I was beginning to think I would have to continue with Kunal as far as the heroines were concerned, but बहुत बढ़िया आप स्क्रीन पर लग रहे हैं, and it's a huge film. तो आपकी जो feelings है, we would love to hear.
I'm glad I got this opportunity. Thank you, Gordon sir. Thank you, Prabhu sir. Thank you, Ajay sir. It's great to be a part of such a big film. They've treated me like family. The journey has been wonderful, and I've done my best. I hope you guys like it.
दुनिया बोलेगी आपकी लाइफ तो बहुत इजी हो गई है. अजय सर के साथ पहली पिक्चर, प्रभु सर की पिक्चर देख के ही लग रहा है बहुत सारे नंबर्स आएंगे. सो इज इट टफ नॉट टू लेट इट गेट टू योर हेड? Suddenly phone call is going to start happening a lot after this trailer is out immediately. So how are you going to deal with that?
देखते हैं, होने तो दो पहले.
But I'm sure it's going to happen. A big round of applause for Manasvi as well.
Thank you.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, concludes it. That's just a joke here. I'm just joking. We've got the gentleman there in front of him. I don't know. I'm a very big fan of performances on screen. And जो actors screen पर आकर बिना कुछ बोले ही या तो अपने गुस्सा दिखा देते हैं या नरमी दिखा देते हैं या हंसा देते हैं and then in spite of that दिखते नहीं है जैसे वर्कआउट कर रहे होते हैं फिर भी उनके सब जगह डोले निकल रहे होते हैं. They come and do actions so easily. He's got a persona. He is perhaps to me the best performer in the industry. A big round of applause for a gentleman that we all know in this film now as AJ, Mr. Ajay Devgan. I'm having some fanboy moments, sir, quite a bit of them. तो मेरे बोलने से पहले आप ही सर कुछ बोल दें. बड़ी लंबी कास्ट है आपके साथ जिन्होंने आपके बारे में बहुत कुछ बोला.
I don't know मैं क्या बोलूँ. I would like to say happy Diwali to everybody और सबकी दिवाली उतनी अच्छी जाए. और सर
ये चार शब्द.
Thank you for praising me.
सर ये तो आपका बड़प्पन है लेकिन ये प्रभु सर चार शब्द बोलते हैं. तो जब शॉट अच्छा होता है तो क्या करते हैं? थम्स अप देते हैं या आंखों ही आंखों में क्या इशारा करते हैं?
नहीं, उठ के चले जाते हैं अगर शॉट ओके है तो. और अगर शॉट ओके नहीं होता तो फिर लगे रहते हैं वन मोर.
Was it action तो बहुत कमाल का है. This is a very international stylized look that we've seen. You've used a weapon and it's in this case a sword over here. Some big thought process went into this. Did you enjoy that entire process? I know that earlier you were using fists in your other films. आप मुक्के के साथ बड़े काम करते थे. इसमें एक sword आ गया. So it's a nice addition to it.
Yeah, I think it's something new. It's something nice and the kind of style Prabhu's given and presented all of us. I think it's been fabulous. I've always been telling him on the set that I think the way you've presented me, it's really fabulous.
मैं ये आपसे बोलने वाला था. आपको मैंने आज काफी excited देखा था जब मैं आपके ऑफिस में मिल रहा था कि when you were seeing the trailer, were you also very happy when you saw the trailer over there?
I love the trailer. That's why I'm excited.
Now there's a dance bit also, sir. Yeah. So when you meet Prabhu Deva, दुनिया आपसे सवाल तो करेगी ही. In your mind also, are you trying to open doors and saying जो ये बोलेंगे मैं वही करूंगा या इनके बीच में कोई रास्ता हम ढूंढ लेंगे?
नहीं, जो ये बोलेंगे वही करूंगा. तो वो मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया था और मैं हमेशा ही करता हूँ वो. आज से मुझे लगता है 20-22 साल पहले आई थिंक प्रभु और मैं मिले थे. एक प्रभु must be 19 at that point of time. I was 21 or something like this. और मेरी दूसरी फिल्म थी वो और हम बर्फ में एक गाना कर रहे थे. तो उस वक्त मस्ती मजाक बहुत होता था. तो वो गाना बहुत ही रोमांटिक था. उसमें कोई डांस वांस नहीं था और ठंड में बर्फ में शिमला में हम लोग वो गाना कर रहे थे. और
कौन सी पिक्चर के दौरान था सर?
ये फिल्म जो कंप्लीट नहीं हुई एक्चुअली, सिंगर करके एक फिल्म थी ड्यू टू रीजंस. तो हम बार बार हर शॉट के बीच में प्रभु को जरा प्रभु डांस एंड शो ना बिकॉज ही वाज फैबुलस एंड वी वर ऑल लाइक एंड ही वाज आल्सो एंजॉयिंग इट. तो ही वाज 19, ही वाज आल्सो डांसिंग. तो मैं सिर्फ इतना कहूँगा कि पूरा बदला प्रभु ने इस फिल्म में मेरे से ले लिया उसका, जो हमने प्रभु को नचाया.
मेरा सवाल है अजय देवगन से. जाकिर सिसोदिया फ्रॉम मकराना मैगजीन. आप ना कमिटमेंट करते हो ना अपॉइंटमेंट देते हो, डायरेक्ट पनिशमेंट करते हो. इसका क्या मतलब है?
इसका मतलब यही है, अगर आप अपनी बीवी को ये लाइन बोल के देखिए आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. ना कमिटमेंट ना अपॉइंटमेंट और नहीं पनिशमेंट. क्या आप बाहर क्या करते हैं फिर आपको समझ में आ जाएगा.
फिल्म में देते हो डायलॉग.
बहुत प्रॉब्लम हुआ. जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि प्रभु ने पूरा बदला लिया मुझसे जो हम प्रभु के साथ हमने किया था 20 साल पहले. तो बट इट वाज फन. इट वाज इस बार प्रभु ने पहली बार लाइफ में मुझसे रिहर्सल भी करा. मैंने आज तक लाइफ में डांस की रिहर्सल नहीं की. तो अब वो कितना अच्छा आया बुरा आया वो आप डिसाइड करेंगे. बट आई थिंक प्रभु इज ऑल्सो समबडी हु नोज के एक एक्टर का प्लस पॉइंट क्या है तो उसको पूरे तरीके से यूटिलाइज करते हैं वो. तो अगर डांस में भी जो मैं कर सकता हूँ आई थिंक प्रभु ने उसको एक नया एक तरीका दिया है. दोनों से आपने डिसाइड कर लिया तो ये फिल्म देखिए आप डिसाइड कीजिए. Yeah, I think the villain of the movie is a big actor from South, which I think Prabhu didn't want to reveal earlier. So he's from South. I think Prabhu will tell something about him.
Yeah, he's from South, and his name is Anand Raj.
So you've made Salman dance, you've made Akshay dance, you've made Shahid dance, and now Ajay. So I want to know whom was it most difficult for you to teach dancing?
What a stupid question. Obviously me.
अजय, आपको कितना टाइम लगा डांसिंग सीखने में?
No, actually we did all the song in 2.5 days, 3 days, no sir?
But he's very fast with songs. I think
3 days, 2.5 days, 3 days only. Yeah.
इसके लिए आपको फिल्म देखनी पड़ेगी क्योंकि वो कहानी मैं रिवील नहीं करना चाहता.
Ajay, there are 3 heroines in the film. So how did you balance yourself and how much did you enjoy also?
The more the better. You don't need to balance it. Gets balanced.
Also हमने सुना था टाइटल को लेके कुछ इशू है, तो could you tell us कि क्या exactly था?
I don't think कोई इशू है. अगर इशू होता तो इस वक्त ये टाइटल नहीं होता.
We had heard that किसी हॉलीवुड मूवी का टाइटल भी था एक्शन जैक्सन, एंड उस वजह से इशू था.
नहीं, उनको ऐसा लगा था कि हमारी फिल्म उनकी फिल्म से मिलती जुलती है. जब उनको ये सब क्लैरिटी मिल गई तो फिर कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ.
Prabhudev, as everyone said कि you are very soft spoken and very low, तो ऐसे लगता है कि कहीं पर आपके आर्टिस्ट लोग ने आपका कोई एडवांटेज लिया होगा because you are very soft spoken.
Is it?
Soft spoken, but he's Prabhu Deva. So
He's a hard taskmaster. Nobody can take advantage of him.
अजय सर सामने आपके सबसे पहले तो बहुत बहुत बधाई आपको दिवाली की, और हम लोगों ने जो ट्रेलर देखा वो बहुत ही जबरदस्त था उनका. और
थैंक यू सो मच. आपको भी दिवाली की बधाई.
जी अजय सर, मेरा सवाल आपसे यह है कि एक्शन करते हुए हम लोगों ने आपको बहुत बार देखा हुआ है, और सबसे पहले तो जो 2 बाइक पर आपने एक्शन किया था फूल और कांटे में, तो वो भी लोगों ने बहुत पसंद किया था. यहाँ भी एक्शन है. एक्शन की अगर परिभाषा में आपसे पूछूं तो कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे, और कभी एक्शन करते हुए डर लगता है आपको?
देखिए, डर एक ऐसी चीज है जो अगर कोई कहे कि मुझे लगता है नहीं तो वो झूठ होगा. कई बार आपको थोड़ा हेजिटेशन होता है, बट यू आर प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर इट ऑल्सो बिकॉज इतने सारे लोग और इतने सारे स्पेशलिस्ट हैं जो कि आजकल बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी आ गई हैं कि आप सेफ हैं. और अब डर कम लगता है क्योंकि जब हमने शुरू किया था तब तो ये सब था ही नहीं. तो इट्स बिकम लॉट मोर ईजियर आई फील.
It was never delayed for release, and this was a perfect date, this movie, to release, because I think last year also around this time only our film, which was directed by him, was released, and so this was a good date. So everybody decided together we should go ahead with this 5th of December, and that's what it. No, I think this is better.
I would love to do that. Ask PK to move.
ट्रेलर देखा, आपकी बॉडी देखी, थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूज हूँ कि ये 6 पैक एब्स हैं या 8 पैक. तो आपसे
ये ना 6 है ना 1 है. अगर आपने 8 है, ये आपने देखा, ये जितना नेचुरल और रियल होता है उतना है. पैक्स आपको ज्यादा नजर नहीं आएंगे, बट एक रियल जो टफ बॉडी होती है और वही प्रभु को चाहिए थी और वही हमने किया.
ओके, जैसा कि मैं पोस्टर देख रहा हूँ कि टैटू है आपकी बॉडी पर, कुछ एब्स भी हैं, मुझे थोड़ा दिखाई दे रहा है, गॉगल है, हाफ शर्ट है, तो कंफर्टेबल कहाँ फील करते हैं आप अपने आप को?
शर्ट के या बिना शर्ट के आप पूछ रहे हैं? नहीं, मेरा सवाल समझ में नहीं आया. मतलब कि बिना कपड़ों के मैं कंफर्टेबल.
हाँ, कंफर्टेबल कहाँ फील करते हैं आप, बिना कपड़ों के, टैटू के या एब्स के?
कई जगहों पे बिना कपड़ों के कंफर्टेबल फील करता हूँ, लेकिन सबके सामने कपड़े पहनने थोड़ा ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल रहता है.
Since this is your debut film, how is it working with, Prabhu sir, Ajay Devgan, Sonakshi, Yami, all of them?
Okay, Sonakshi and Yami have been very nice. They've been very sweet, unlike what people would think. And it's fabulous what Prabhu sir does. He's very clear about what he wants. So as an actor, it's very nice to have somebody with such a clear vision. And Ajay sir, of course, he's a darling.
Were you nervous working with them?
Very nervous. In fact, I'm nervous right now also.
सर, आपने फिल्म में डांस किया है, तो क्या आपकी वाइफ यानी कि काजोल ने देखा है आपके शूट के दौरान, आपको आके रिहर्सल करते हुए देखा, और क्या कॉम्प्लीमेंट दिया उन्होंने?
शूट के दौरान देखा ना, रिहर्सल करते हुए देखा. उन्होंने भी इतना ही प्रोमो देखा जितना आप लोगों ने देखा.
तो उन्होंने आपको क्या कॉम्प्लीमेंट किया?
फिलहाल तो जब फिल्म देखेंगे उनको प्रोमो बहुत पसंद आया सबको, स्पेशली माय डॉटर एंड एवरीबॉडी. तो आई थिंक जब वो फिल्म देखेंगे उनका रिएक्शन तब आएगा मुझे.
as well. So what?
I promise you, this is not similar.
So how different is this going to be?
I think that's what everybody has been talking about, and when you see the film, you come to know that it's really different. It's very stylized. Unnecessarily, people are not flying, and it's very raw but very stylized. Sword has not been used since a long time, and when you see the film, you'll know that it is completely different.
Did you take any special training for the sword thing?
Little bit, yes, on the sets maybe. We had somebody on the sets who was just guiding us.
Also, are you going to be a part of the Hindi remake of Malayalam movie Drishyam? Are you also going to be a part of the Hindi remake of a Malayalam movie called Drishyam?
We'll talk about that later, maybe.
Ajay, how comfortable are you with your on your right, Ajay? Yes. How comfortable are you with your body? In fact, like whenever you want to, as you said, कि आपकी body quite natural है, तो when you want to put up,
नहीं natural नहीं है.
I mean, workout करना पड़ता है, but how flexible it is like.
It is flexible और अगर ऐसे जैसे बॉडी आपने सीक्वेंस देखे तो सारा साल ऐसे मेंटेन करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है, तो उसके लिए एक महीने भर का एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट लगता है कि व्हेन यू स्टार्ट शूटिंग फॉर, तो वो कब सीक्वेंस वो होता है उस हिसाब से आप प्रिपेयर करते हैं अपने आप को. आई थिंक मेरा पर्सनल ओपिनियन है कि जो भी हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर कर रहे हैं, I think right now he's on the right track and he's doing wonders, what he had promised, and अगर सब cooperate करेंगे तो I think उसके results बहुत अच्छे होंगे. This is one of the efforts, so it is I think commendable.
So same thing, she wants a quote from you.
अच्छा. Same.
That was one word, sir. Normally at least you use two.
I think our Prime Minister, I think how I see as a citizen, I think he seems to be one of the most efficient and very effective, I think, administrator, I would say. I think he seems to be a visionary, be it the Safai Abhiyan and the immediate the reaction which he has to any such national calamity, what happened in South or what happened in J&K. So I think keeping certain incidents in mind, and I hope this vigor doesn't die down. I hope it's not slow down, and we're all with him. And I think it's great, the initiative that he's taking up.
Nothing is planned as yet. We're working on a script, and whenever the script is ready, we will let you know about it. I can give you some other Diwali gift.
अजय,
नेक्स्ट दिवाली.
अजय, ये एक्शन जैक्शन क्या है? अगर अभी तक सबने इधर उधर की बात की, मैं थोड़ी फिल्म किस बारे में?
वही मैंने कहा कि उन्होंने यही सवाल पूछा था, और मैंने कहा कि इसके लिए आपको एक्शन जैक्सन टाइटल क्यों है, इसके लिए आपको फिल्म देखनी पड़ेगी, क्योंकि अगर मैं ये समझाने जाऊंगा तो कहानी रिवील हो जाएगी, और हम बहुत ज्यादा कहानी के बारे में बात नहीं करना चाहते इस वक्त. कि जैसे कि सबका होता है सिंपल पूजा एंड just celebrate Diwali with family.
Thank you, guys. Okay, just before we wrap up, I would like to call two gentlemen on stage. Mr. A.C. Mughal, who's made the story, and a big round of applause for him. And dialogues, Mr. Siraj Ahmed. They are right here, so if they could be here and join us on stage. And then we'll take a photo op.
सीन है उसके बारे में तो मुझे बताना नहीं चाहिए ना?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं बताना चाहिए.
हाँ, लेकिन CID पे मैं 2-3 बार आ चुका हूँ पहले, और पिछली बार सिंघम के लिए आया था. सिंघम में तो दया भी साथ में था, ये नहीं से. बट CID पे जब भी हम आते हैं तो फिल्म की प्रमोशन के लिए, तो आई थिंक हमको बहुत फ़ायदा होता है उससे.
जी, अगर हम बात करें, CID जो है फेमस है काफ़ी अपने
काफ़ी फेमस नहीं, आई थिंक सबसे पुराना शो. कितने साल हो गए? 17 साल. अगर किसी शो को चलना होता है तो फिर वो अपने आप में ही एक जवाब होता है कि 17 साल से अगर एक लॉयल ऑडियंस इस शो को देख रही है तो सबसे आई थिंक फेमस शो है फिर ये.
How big a fan are you of CID team?
I watch sometimes. I've worked with him, 2 films I've done. I've worked with Daya now. Everybody is doing very well, and we all like friends.
शिवाय सर खरं तर हा अनुभव कसा तुम्ही सिनेमातून काम केलंय पण सीआयडीत काम करण्याचा अनुभव कसा
मला तर अत्यंत आनंद होतो कारण मागच्या वेळेला मी चुकलो यांच्यावर काम करायला मी नव्हतो CIDमध्ये पण 2 चित्रपट केलेले आहेत आणि ह्याच्यावर काम करताना खूप आनंद होतो आणि कसलाही काही त्रास नसतो काही नाही असं वाटतं की मित्र आम्ही काम करतो आहोत असं
आणि आज एक मित्राला मराठी सिनेमाचा निर्माता म्हणून तुम्ही अजून ओळखता
ती आणखीन एक गोष्ट आहे विटी दांडू हा त्यांचा चित्रपट
देखिए आपने
नहीं अभी देखूंगा तो देखिए
अच्छा अजय जी कुछ रिवील तो नहीं किया आपने लेकिन क्या कुछ एक्शन भी दिखाने वाले हैं ये इस सीन में या सीक्वेंस में?
एक्शन भी है सीन भी है सब कुछ है उसके लिए आप एपिसोड देखिएगा।
अच्छा सर की एक्शन जैक्सन फिल्म आ रही है तो ट्रेलर देखा होगा आप सर?
बिल्कुल मैंने तो जरूर देखा और ट्वीट भी किया कि इतना मज़ा आ गया मुझे देखकर और स्पेशली अजय जी को देखकर डांस करते हुए बड़ा प्यारा लगते हो डांस करते
खरं तर हा एक अनुभव असेल पुन्हा एकदा सर मराठी सिनेमा में शिवाजी सर और ये पूरी CID टीम आनी चाहिए आहे सर एक साथ मराठी सिनेमा
जरूर आनी चाहिए आई थिंक
आम्ही आनंदाने काम करू त्याच्यावर
आई थिंक उसके लिए एक स्क्रिप्ट ढूंढते हैं बनाते हैं
बिल्कुल।
अजय फैंस ने आपके एक्शन को आज तक एंजॉय किया लेकिन जो आपका डांस का फॉर्म था नया देखने मिला है सो आपको कुछ स्पेशल कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स मिले हैं?
पता नहीं कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स तो मिले हैं बट पता नहीं कितना एंजॉय कर रहे हैं थिएटर में देखें और फिर बताएं मुझे कि कैसे लगता है सब कुछ
और आगे क्या प्लान है किस तरह फिल्म को प्रमोट किया जाए?
बस कुछ नहीं आज CID कर रहे हैं उसके बाद हम कुछ इंटरव्यूज हैं एंड दैट्स ऑल।
थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू।
Just a question. It's Elvis Presley in the Jackson title film. I'm sure you knew you were going to be asked this. ये क्या था?
No. It's just a thought. I don't know how it happened, but I thought it's cool for this song.
Yeah, and it looks very funny and nice.
And also already we want to change the dress, many things like that. Well, and then Jackson. Then I thought, no, it's looking good. Let it be in the full song, so it will be registered and it looks nice and cool and cute.
आपको डांसिंग के अलावा किसी और चीज का कीड़ा है अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं?
I eat lot sweets.
He eats a lot. Sonakshi, it doesn't look at all.
I told him yesterday, sir, you're losing weight. He said, yes, dancing.
So that's the mantra.
That was his
Eat sweets and
explanation
dance.
to it.
But Ajay ji, honestly speaking, what was the hardest thing about dancing? Or do you think it's cool कि action के बीच में थोड़ा dance हो रहा था? Because I love that particular thing in the promo.
No, I think it was tough dancing, but Prabhu made it very easy for me, in the sense, as he says also that ये एक actor की body language पढ़ के उस हिसाब से movements देते हैं, तो he did that and he made me very comfortable doing it. So and he was concentrating on the expression also and the step, and so he made it very easy.
आपने लेकिन काले चश्मे और ग्रीन चश्मे और ब्लू चश्मे पहन के you made it easy for yourself. But Sonakshi is going berserk with her expressions.
She loves dancing. Music लगाओ तो वो सड़क पे शुरू हो जाएगी.
But doesn't that intimidate you? क्योंकि अगर आप देख रहे हो कि आपके सामने लड़की is like fully charged.
No.
And now it's your turn.
It doesn't. I look at her and say, that's your job.
What was the hardest step in this song? If I ask you कि कीड़ा की बात हो रही है?
So many of them. For me. But otherwise not.
No, I think as he said, we read the actors on first day. So as per his body language, we did it. Because if it was difficult, it wouldn't have happened in 3 days. It would have gone 5 days.
Longer,
6 days.
yeah.
But we did it very happily. We kept him very happy. In between, it was very tensed.
No, the best part is that he made me enjoy shooting the song. So that was fun.
Actually, in third day and all, he was ready. Prabhu, come on, we can do it. Next what? Like that.
So his कीड़ा is eating.
Trust me.
इनकी पिचिंग कमाल की है.
है नहीं genuinely भी है आप अगर मजाक के टोन में बोल रहे हैं तो ऐसा नहीं.
I'll sing if you sing.
Yeah, come. Okay.
Start.
तुमसे मिलने का
कीड़ा अंदर है.
डेटिंग कर ले तू.
ओपन कैलेंडर है.
सोम मंगल बुध गुरु शुक्र शनि रवि.
आजा मेरी गली, आजा मेरी गली, आजा मेरी गली.
मुझे लगता है कि यहाँ अजय जी को वो लाइव स्टेप अगर वो कर लें वो लेग्स वाला oh come on Ajay ji
you made me sing live on stage, you have to do this.
Music 1 2 3 4.
I
think मेरा कुछ अदर इवेंट था जहाँ पर मैं गई थी, एक पर्सनल कमिटमेंट था एंड आई कुडंट मेक इट, बट मेरे बिना फिल्म, मतलब मैं हूँ फिल्म में, तो इससे ज़्यादा आपको क्या थप्पा चाहिए। नहीं, ये मैंने अपने लिए किया है, बट फिलहाल हम आज एक्शन जैक्सन के लिए आए हैं, तो इसके बारे में बात करें तो बेहतर होगा। एक साइड एक्शन, एक साइड जैक्सन, सो प्लीज टेक इट अवे लेडीज एंड
एक्शन भी प्रभु और जैक्सन भी प्रभु। एक्शन जैक्सन।
तो आपको मतलब वो डायलॉग्स बोलना कितना कंफर्टेबल थे, और दूसरी चीज आपको ना थोड़ा फैंटेसी डायलॉग्स थे।
बट जैसी फिल्म है, जैसा कैरेक्टर है, तो उस हिसाब से डायलॉग्स है। आई थिंक डायलॉग्स ऑलरेडी अगर आप कह रहे हैं कि चर्चा में जो मुझे भी काफी लोग बोलने लग गए डायलॉग्स, तो आई थिंक दैट इज अ वेरी पॉजिटिव साइन।
जैसे इसमें एक डायलॉग था, सलमान जो कमिटमेंट की बात कर रहे हैं, या फिर जो आप कह रहे हैं कि दोबारा तुम सुन नहीं पाओगे, तो काफी कुछ सलमान साहब की कुछ बातचीत हुई थी, या इस डायलॉग
के डायलॉग कैसे कहा जाए? ना सलमान ने मुझसे पूछा कि कैसे वो डायलॉग बोल रहा है, ना मैंने सलमान से पूछा कि कैसे वो डायलॉग बोल रहा है।
केबीसी में इस बार जो खेलने आए, किसके लिए खेला? प्रमोशन के लिए, किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए?
नहीं, प्रमोशन के लिए। हम लोगों ने खेला नहीं, बेसिकली इट वाज अ फन गेम।
फन क्वेश्चंस, बहुत मजेदार क्वेश्चंस हमें पूछे गए थे।
प्रभु, आपने लास्ट स्टेप था और कैसे उन्हें कन्विंस कर दिया डांस के लिए आपने?
No, actually, it was very stylish step, and sir was very happy to do, and we are very lucky to do it. Steps how to deliver.
वो आप देख लेना।
अजय, बॉडी बनाने में कितना समय, कितना टाइम पीरियड लगा, कितनी मेहनत लगी आपको?
मेहनत मतलब जितनी हर फिल्म में लगती है, इस फिल्म में आई थिंक जो कैरेक्टर है वो पहले प्रभु को थोड़ा कि वो कैरेक्टर का चेंज ओवर होता है, तो पहले he wanted me to put on weight, so then I lost 17 kgs. 2 महीने लगे होंगे, I think.
Yeah. I told sir, we need that change. So he told, give me 1.5 months, 2 months. So after that, 17 kilos we shed off and came, because it's a bare body sequence and all is that.
अजय, अभी आपकी पिछली फिल्म सुपर डुपर हिट रही है, सोनाक्षी प्रभुदेवा के साथ सुपर डुपर हिट रही है, तो ये इस फिल्म का जो फ्लेवर है, जिस तरह से हमने ट्रेलर देखा है, उस फ्लेवर को देखते हुए आप किस तरह की मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजी अडॉप्ट करना चाहेंगे?
यार, मैं मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजी अभी भी सीखने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, कोई मुझे सिखा दे। क्योंकि उस पर बहुत कुछ डिपेंड करता है, एंड आई रियली डोंट नो हाउ टू डू इट। बेसिक हम तो बेसिक फार्मूला ही फॉलो करते हैं, और इंटरव्यूज एंड थिंग्स लाइक दिस, बट आई थिंक ये स्ट्रैटेजी सीखनी पड़ेगी।
और जिस तरह अभी हैप्पी न्यू ईयर ने पहले दिन का, वैसे हर फिल्म के साथ ये रिकॉर्ड बनते हैं और होते हैं, तो पहले दिन के साथ 40+ का उनका वो बता रहे हैं कि 40+ उन्होंने कलेक्ट किया है। आप भी इसके साथ कुछ उम्मीद लगाए एक्शन के लिए?
देखिए, सब काम करते हैं, सब मेहनत करते हैं, और सब चाहते हैं कि फिल्म बहुत चले। अब वो कितनी चलती है वो तो ऑडियंस पे डिपेंड करता है, बट द होप इज ऑलवेज दैट योर फिल्म वर्क्स वेरी वेल।
और सोनाक्षी, खासकर पिछली फिल्म जो आर राजकुमार की, इस फिल्म के एक्शन में क्या डिफरेंट है? सवाल अजय से पूछा होगा कि हमने कुछ अलग किया जो आपको देखने को मिलेगा, हम आपसे देखना चाहेंगे। फ्लेवर बहुत कुछ लग रहा था, शायद उससे ऐसा ही है।
नो, बिल्कुल नहीं। आपने किसी और पिक्चर की ट्रेलर देखी है क्या? हाँ, तो फिर नहीं, बहुत ही अलग है। अगर आप देखेंगे उसमें बहुत ही मतलब रॉ फिस्ट फाइट काइंड ऑफ फाइट्स थे इसमें, बहुत ही
इस पिक्चर में मैं हूँ,
बहुत ही, हाँ वो भी है, बट बहुत ही स्टाइलाइज्ड स्वॉर्ड फाइटिंग ये वो हो रहा है। तो आई थिंक
स्वॉर्ड फाइटिंग पहली बार बहुत स्टाइलाइज्ड प्रभु ने डिजाइन किया, और बहुत सालों के बाद एक्शन करने के लिए थोड़ी प्रैक्टिस भी की मैंने, तो आई थिंक इट्स कम आउट वेरी नाइस।
आपने भी तलवार की है रोमांस?
मैं
है तो थोड़ा बढ़ गया है सर।
मैं तो बचपन से तलवार चलाते आ रहे हैं, क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
He expected a lot from his eyes. So is that anything that you have learned during your work schedule from Ajay sir, from his eye expression that you have?
I mean, yeah, he's a great actor. Everybody knows that, but I think our styles of expressing with eyes are very different.
Yours and mine.
Yeah.
But any such that you have just caught up with him or you have learned from him?
I think he's got one very one expression which is really, sometimes it can be intimidating, sometimes it can be romantic, sometimes it can be funny as well. He can crack a joke with that deadpan expression. So I think that is very, not everybody can do that, and I definitely can't. I need to have like some weird face to make people laugh and all, but he does it like with ease, with that, just that expression, yeah.
And about Prabhu sir, like, since you have also worked with him, so any expression of his that you would like to?
Prabhu sir is the master of expressions. I think it's only in his songs that I do whatever my facial muscles are capable of doing, he makes me do in his songs. So the maximum number of expressions I do when he makes me do them.
So if you could just do it for us.
You see the songs, you see the film, then you realize.
शायद भी डांस कर रहे हैं आपके साथ, तो कितना मजा आया राजकुमार सिंह?
Sir.
What?
शायद भी डांस कर रहे, कितना मजा आया यार राजकुमार।
No, it's so sweet of him. I just called him for like what they say, half day come.
Yeah,
He just
2 hours.
Yeah, 2 hours he came. It's so sweet of him. Thanks for it.
प्रभु सर, आपने जैसे कि बोला कि आपकी फिल्म का नाम एक्शन लेसन है, आपने अपने इंटरव्यू में बोला था कि ये अजय देवगन को सूट करता है। एक्शन हीरो तो वो है, ये हम सब जानते हैं, लेकिन जैक्सन किस तरीके से उनको सूट करता है, ये हम जानना चाहते हैं।
No, first time yes, I think after he has danced in the film. Normally we have seen sir doesn't dance.
Dance means कोशिश की है.
No, very stylish we made him dance. We made him very stylish. If you see, then you will know. Yeah, he has danced. Yeah. Then you will know.
अजीत जी, ये आपसे भी जानना चाहते हैं कि डांस आपके लिए तब्दील है, तो प्रभु देवा के कंपैरिजन का डांस और इसको करना कितना मुश्किल था?
उसके बारे में मैं सोचता ही नहीं. बट मैंने प्रभु को फॉलो किया, जो प्रभु ने मुझसे करवाया, और सबसे अच्छी चीज़ क्या है कि प्रभु ने मुझसे वही सब करवाया जो मुझे सूट करता है. बिकॉज जैसा कि प्रभु कहता भी है कि वो बॉडी लैंग्वेज देख के डांस मूवमेंट बनाते हैं, दे स्टडी द बॉडी लैंग्वेज, तो ही इज डन दैट, सो इट वाजंट वेरी अनकंफर्टेबल.
केबीसी का अब तक का बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस आपके लिए?
अब तक का बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस मैं 2-3 बार आया हूँ और हर बार बहुत मजा आया, बिकॉज एक तो द शो इज वेरी गुड, ऊपर से एक अमित जी के साथ इतने सालों से इतना अच्छा रापो है, तो आई फील वेरी कंफर्टेबल.
सर, आपने भी हाल ही में 2-4 दिन पहले प्रधानमंत्री से मुलाकात हुई, कैसा था वो एक्सपीरियंस, क्या बातचीत हुई आपकी?
अमेजिंग, वो बहुत ही व्हाट अ मैन. आई थिंक उनके बारे में जितना कहूँ कम होगा, एंड ही इज बहुत ही अच्छे से मिले, ना सिर्फ मुझसे, सबसे, एंड आई फाइंड दैट अमेजिंग.
जैसा आपने एज अ एक्शन हीरो कई एक्शन फिल्म मेकिंग, कई बेहतरीन एक्शन फिल्म मेकिंग, इस बार आप प्रभु देवा जी के साथ है, तो कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस, क्या क्या आपने सीखने मिला और कितना अलग था ये?
आई थिंक प्रभु ने मुझे, आज तक मैंने जितने फिल्में की हैं, सबसे अलग प्रभु ने मुझे प्रेजेंट किया, और ये जब आप फिल्म देखेंगे तो आप समझेंगे कि मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ.
Bollywood stars really help in uplifting sports in a way.
I guess, and vice versa, because there is certain attachment, and if known people promote sports, I think it's a great thing, and it is very very important for today's generation, because आज की जो generation है वो सिर्फ computers और iPads पे लगी रहती है, physical activities है नहीं, which is not a very good thing. तो I think बच्चों को push करने के लिए अगर उसमें अगर जो stars हैं वो अगर कुछ मदद कर सकते हैं तो उन्हें ज़रूर करना चाहिए.
Yeah, I think it does help being a face of a certain sport, because that many people identify with you if they watch your films. And अगर I think इस देश में सिर्फ क्रिकेट को बहुत ज़्यादा importance दिया जाता है, which I think is unfair to the other sports that people play. And I think अगर कोई दूसरे sports को भी बढ़ावा दे as being a face of a sport, I think it's a great thing. Yeah.
So would we see you sooner or later having our own sports team?
I do co-own a kabaddi team in the World Kabaddi League. Yes.
But with cricket and football?
No, for now I'm happy learning and exploring that aspect. Kabaddi is a upcoming sport. It's a fast-growing sport, and I'm exploring that right now.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
So that was really something. Very few promotional videos are so cool and all. Really fantastic. Did you see it for the first time or you seen it before also?
No, I saw it before, and this is in the film also.
Yeah, it's fantastic. Did you like it? What is your first reaction when you saw it?
I just keep asking Prabhu, how does he do it?
I'm going to ask him lots of questions right now. Sir, this step that you're doing on the side, you know, action, you can get injured. Have you ever got injured with your ankles and all? Because you were Mr. Rubber 20 years ago. You are more than, you're latex now. How is it possible? Some injuries happen while dancing?
No. When I did it in, because shooting was happening. So in every set we used to do it. I did it, and after seeing it, even I felt, "Arey, good, yeah."
So do you do a specific warm-up routine before dancing? Because everything that we ask you is like just like that only I done. You know, I've just come here and just said action and happened. So this.
No, because when shooting happens,
No, he just changes and he just does it. I don't know when he thinks, how he thinks.
Yeah. So generally speaking, I know it's in your blood also, but you know, I'll tell you a very interesting story about Prabhu sir. Sorry sir, we had a conversation 5 minutes, so I must tell them. This gentleman, whose waist size is probably 27, eats 2 to 3 bars of chocolate at a time. Not pieces, bars of chocolate. Now you know why he doesn't put on any weight, sir. So do you have a bar of chocolate before dancing? What is your energy routine to try and come into it? Or once you start dancing, that's it?
Shooting.
Shooting is enough. But you say you dance during the breaks of shooting. No? Okay, so this concept that was thought about, did it just suddenly come about, or did you actually think, because we haven't seen you dance like this. I think ABCD was the last time we saw this, but this I feel is more than that. This is like focused on you.
No, actually when we thought of this song, beginning only we thought every set we will little bit we will do with everyone. Then shooting was very hectic and very so in between we did it, and I told sir also, sir, in between we have to do like, okay,
Every set, every location, he just did one
so
shot.
it's in every set.
You, sir, as an actor, will look for Prabhu sometimes, sir, and say, "Haan, theek laga kya?" Who do you look to say if the shot is okay? Do you sometimes say, "Haan, ye acha lag raha hai," say nothing? No. So who is your person who says, "Okay, take"?
No, after doing it, I will go for next shot. That's it.
You don't even see the take.
When he makes a mistake, he knows, and he hardly makes a mistake.
Brilliant. Now you know. I think we'll get lots of more questions out there. The man who makes no mistakes, and Mr. Ajay Devgan, sir, this stomach that has gone inside and this perfectly curved body of yours, we've all tried this very hard. You keep getting it. You get it.
I think you have a great body.
So like I said, so this shirt helps a lot to not show that. I don't think I can stand to that. Did you have to sacrifice too much to get here? I know sugar, food. You seem to know, you like your food also.
You cut down on your sugar and things.
Yeah.
Like this, and you work out. Like I've not been working out these days, so
yeah.
I'm also like you right now.
But are you enjoying this process also of getting in shape, getting out of shape? I know it's very difficult.
And you can't keep maintaining it all around the year.
Yeah.
So it's you be at the edge whenever you want to get into it. Takes your month and a half.
Would you say that I think this is the best shape I've ever seen you in?
I don't know. That's for you to decide.
We'll ask them also. So I'll open it out to
Actually, I want. Yeah. Sir lost his weight for the 2.5 minutes fight only. We told we need a bare body shot, sir. For 2.5 minutes only, he lost 17 kilos. Then because we lost here and there, we have to do shoot. I said, sir, for the song also go. Okay.
But whatever is required is required. So tell me when.
No, actually for this and all. Like this. We don't want, no?
Yeah.
Just like, but we told sir one more for the promotion also looks, okay Prabhu, again, okay, more 5 more days. Again I will do.
You have made Ajay sir do more than anybody has made him do for a long time. I think this is the beautiful dialogues that are out there, but the action and the dance, I don't think he's ever done as much as he's done in this movie. Would I be right to say that, sir?
Yeah, I think so.
Imagine, that in a 20-year career, this is the most that you've done in a film.
And it's probably dancing definitely, and the way he's presented me is completely different. And action also is done like this after a very, very long time.
Prabhuji, Jugalbandi is very rare these days. So what made you come up with an idea like Jugalbandi, and that too with Ajay Devgan? It's even rarer. So what made you come up with this idea?
No, actually, I don't know whether it's Jugalbandi. Jugalbandi means
Maybe
more songs,
semi-Jugalbandi types.
No, too many songs makes Jugalbandi.
No, so Jugalbandi can be two people dancing together also, you know?
Jugalbandi of anything. And now here the Jugalbandis of my dialogues in your dancing.
Acha. Okay, like it came. I don't know. It came to the, so it looks.
I really thought it was a good combination because I mean, my dialogues do work, and he's superb at dancing. So the combination was, I think, fabulous.
were you nervous when he told you that he's planning to do a Jugalbandi kinds of, or were you told that you're not
I
supposed to?
didn't even know about that he was doing Jugalbandi. He was just dancing on the set everywhere.
You know how you do this kind of dance and totally like full flaxy, and which kind of preparation for it?
No, as I said before, I'm dancing for last 25 to 30 years. So when shoot happens, then one more shot we have to do in every set, one shot. Then immediately I have to go dress change and ready take that. Finished.
Talking about Ajay sir, like he is a producer, director, actor. What's a strong point you think Ajay sir as a person?
He's already, he's in that high and he believed us and actually sir believed in us so much. It's very scary because we have to, the responsibility is more and we have to satisfy sir, and he never asked a question like what to say. He worked really very, very hard and it's very scary because he believed so much on us. We were like literally me, my writer and all. He must be happy, must make him many things is there. I don't know how to put it.
Ajay sir, same question. You like, you work so many different directors. First time I worked like Professor as a director. What's the strong point you think Professor as a director?
I think every which way. Everybody knows he's the best choreographer, best dancer in the country. I would say as a director, he exactly knows what he wants, and he's a fabulous actor himself. So his comedy timing and drama and everything is completely different from how we do in other films. If you see the comic timing in this film, it's completely different. It's not with too many dialogues and things like this. It's just situational and just timing, which he does it himself.
Actually, yesterday we were, re-recording, and the thing is going on. Me, my writer and my dialogue writer were watching sir. That sir from heart has acted in this film. We can see that sincerity, that honor, something. It's very from heart he has acted. You can see that somewhere it's so true in the film.
There have been a lot of quirky lines in the film. So what's your favorite?
I really don't know because there are a lot of nice lines and some of them you have not heard which are there in the film. So it confuses me. From what you've heard, I don't know. My son keeps saying it's my way or skyway. And I like the line, मैं सिर्फ एक ही बार बोलूँगा क्योंकि दूसरी बार सुनने के लिए तू नहीं होगा.
Prabhu, I have a question for you also. We always see you in a cameo in your films. There's another director who we've always seen in cameos, which is Subhash Ghai. We always find him in his movies. Is that an inspiration, or is it because it always works? Whenever you've been in your films, the ones that you direct, they've always worked.
No, producers makes me, I think.
In this film, I forced him. And for this song also, I forced him. Because he didn't want to release the song, and I said, let's release the song. There's one more song we have in the film, but I said, let's release this song because Prabhu's dancing in this.
अजय सर ने तो बोल दिया बहुत सारे डायलॉग. एक डायलॉग इस पूरे गाने से अगर आप उठा करके बोलें,
मैं एक ही बार बोलता हूँ, क्योंकि दूसरी बार सुनने के लिए तू नहीं होगा.
Thank you.
I want to know what is the process behind your choreography and how many days or how do you prepare yourself and how do you come up with the steps? Is it on the set itself or do you take time to prepare?
No, sometimes on the set, but sometimes we prepare. But when we hear the sound, some picture will come.
Okay.
प्रभु सर, मुंबई में आपने घर ले लिया है और नहीं लिया है तो कब लेने वाले हैं?
Soon.
सर किस तरीके का घर होगा कुछ? क्योंकि आप यहाँ ट्रेवल ही करते रहते हैं, कभी देखा नहीं कि खुद के घर में रहें.
3 bedroom, anything.
So 3 bedroom where you can now afford one in the middle of the sea. So
Bombay is too costly.
Shy and modest as well. Anybody else? Yeah, are we done? Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Climax is going on, but people are appreciating. Any compliment did you get for now?
No, you see, it's my film, I can't say. You have to ask them.
Right. So we asked Sonakshi's mother, sir, at Sunny Super Sound. She is just blank and she has no words to say. Bola ki Sonakshi is the best performance in the movie.
And Prabhu can get the best out of Sonakshi. That's what.
So sweet of her, and Still people has to judge.
So लेकिन compliment क्या मिली वो तो बताओ सर.
No, still not yet.
So, but
you must ask them.
before that also there were so many screenings out there.
No,
anyone from Bollywood can compliment? Yes, sir.
No, this is the first.
None.
Still, movie must be going on in theater में कुछ like noises.
No, I'm
people must be
praying for
clapping.
God, and now so it's in your hand. You have to wish us.
So now you have explored yourself in all ways, sir. Whether it's been dancing, sir, in direction, sir, in acting, sir. So what's next, sir?
Let me do this correctly.
So your New Year plans?
Nothing.
Resolution, sir. Going out with family.
Many
for
things.
vacation?
Yeah, I'm going with.
So can you wish our viewers a very happy New Year?
Happy New Year. Happy Christmas.
सर और एक सर सर लेकिन सोनाक्षी और अजय में से कौन बेटर?
ये दोनों साथ में इसलिए बहुत बेटर लगता है. दोनों इंडिविजुअल तो बहुत अच्छे हैं. दोनों
This is the right time to release a movie because December month, Christmas month, holidays with these and vacation.
यही तो पिक्चर है. मार धार मस्ती डांस पूरे हिंदुस्तान को उसने हिला दिया. अभी कल पब्लिक हिलेगी.
So best part about the movie?
फैंटास्टिक एक्शन और अजय ने जो डांस किया which is fantastic.
मैं फिल्म में काम कर रहा हूँ तो मुझे अच्छी लगी. बहुत यानी कि मज़ा आया. देयर वाज लॉट ऑफ एक्शन, द डांसिंग, बहुत ही यानी कि फुल मसाला एंटरटेनर है. तो आई थिंक लोगों को बहुत ही पसंद आएगा.
कॉम्प्लीमेंट मिला कोई मतलब?
हाँ मिल रहे थे. यानी कि सीनों में तालियां बज रही थी. तो दैट्स मोर देन एनी कॉम्प्लीमेंट दैट यू कैन आस्क फॉर. थैंक यू.
तो कैसा रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है लोगों का? टेल अस समथिंग. वेलकमिंग रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है. क्लाइमेक्स के लिए लोग रुके थे.
Yeah, I think it's something very different that we've attempted. Generally, a female negative character, what different चीज़ है. And मेरा first time movie में है. And I think इस टाइप का character भी पहली बार हुआ है. So अभी तक तो बहुत positive feedback है. पर ये लोग सब मेरे अपने हैं तो मुझे नहीं पता. Tomorrow, when the audience sees it, I will actually get to know if they like it or not.
सबसे अच्छी compliment क्या मिली आपको?
कि मूवी में सबसे different बात मैं थी.
मनस्वी,
But I'm not boasting. मुझे बोला किसी ने.
मनस्वी, आपके अपने लोग अपने दोस्त सब यहाँ पे बैठे थे लेकिन आपने एग्जाम पहले दे दिया है. रिजल्ट कल लगने वाला है. एक्साइटेड, नर्वस?
I'm actually, अभी तक मैंने फिल्म देखी नहीं थी. पहली बार मैं देख रही थी and I was very, anxious कि कैसा टर्न आउट होगा. And I've seen it and I'm quite satisfied. And कल तो बस, it's about destiny and luck and what audience likes. And
But do you agree with my point saying that December is a right month for a director to get a movie on floor because there's holidays, there are people who because it's
I think so. Because when I was working and when I was in school and college, and this was the time then we would watch the maximum movies. So I think yes, this is a good time.
So any
Fingers crossed.
projects?
Right now, no. Just this. There are a few projects, but we're just talking. Nothing's finalized yet.
Only verbally.
Yes.
Perfect.
Has Ajay or Sonakshi or anyone from amongst the star cast given you any compliments since you are it's your first
Yeah,
film?
they're very sweet. They've always given me compliments and they've always encouraged me. Also, at the song launch, Ajay sir was saying very nice things. So they've always said that. So they've been very nice.
Only the wishes for the viewers for Christmas and New Year.
Hi guys, wish you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Make it more euphoric, please.
अभी मुझे थोड़ा settle down होने दो. Okay. Hi guys, wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
तो कैसी लगी आपको फिल्म?
अच्छी लगी. मेरी बहन की फिल्म, अजय सर की फिल्म तो बहुत अच्छी है.
एक्शन पसंद है?
भरपूर एक्शन है इसमें. बहुत अच्छा एक्शन है. Just watch and you'll enjoy. She's good. She's always good. I mean that's why she is where she is today, right?
सर आपसे पूछना चाहेंगे अगर 5 स्टार में से कितने स्टार आप?
नहीं, मैं स्टार नहीं देता हूँ भाई. स्टार का चक्कर नया है. मैं स्टार नहीं देता हूँ. थैंक यू.
Best part क्या था फिल्म के बाद?
Sonakshi.
Sonakshi is dancing so well. She's amongst the best dancers in Bollywood.
Yes, I'm very proud of that.
So what about Prabhu Deva? Does Ajay Devgan? Tell us something about
I
it.
think
please.
Prabhu Deva manages to get the best out of her, whether it's her dancing, whether it's her expressions, and her acting also.
Ma'am, Christmas आ रहा है तो any plans, vacations या resolutions?
Yeah, we might go to Pashupatinath.
Wow. Thank you so much.
अजय सर, सबसे पहले आपसे कुछ पूछना चाहूंगा मैं.
मानसवी इतनी मेहनत कर रही हैं, इतनी ज़्यादा मेहनत कर रही है सर, आप गोली चलाने पे ध्यान दे रहे हो सर, उनके ऊपर सर ध्यान नहीं दिया आपने ज़्यादा, मतलब सर पूरे टाइम रिझा रही हैं सर आपको।
बाकी सब उन पे ही ध्यान दे रहे थे ना गाने में।
ठीक है सर, एक दिन चल जाता।
आप कहाँ ध्यान दे रहे थे?
रहने दो सर, अभी भी बंदूक होगी साथ में तो कलेश हो जाने। मानसवी आपसे सवाल है, कैसी आप, मैं वहाँ आऊँ क्या एक बार? नहीं मैं यही, आई एम गुड। मुझे सिर्फ इतना बता दें, आप क्यों बंदूकें वगैरह लेके घूम रही हो? आपकी तो अदाएं ऐसी है, मतलब ऐसे ही ढेर हो जाएं इतने सारे लोग।
सर प्यार से मानते ही नहीं है तो फिर यू नो
जो प्यार से ना माने उनको बंदूक से मनमाना पड़ता है।
ये गैंगस्टर है फिल्म में
जी। अच्छा आप गैंगस्टर हैं तो अपना प्यार का इजहार कैसे कर रही हैं? गोलियां ही चलवा के मतलब?
जी।
आप लोग देख लो, किसी को भी जिन का मुंह खुला हुआ था, सोच लो आगे क्या हो सकता है। वो तो अजय सर हैं जो मतलब संभल गए और बच गए। प्रभु सर आपके लिए सवाल है, लेकिन सवाल से पहले दो ही चीज बोलूंगा। एक मेरे को लाफिंग बुद्धा ही हमेशा ऐसे स्माइल करते हंसते दिखते हैं, और एक हमारे लाफिंग प्रभु देवा सर। जोरदार तालियां हो जाए डायरेक्टर साहब के लिए, कम ऑन, इट्स जस्ट टू गुड। सर मेरे को बोले म्यूजिशियंस जो होते हैं अपनी वादियों से, आजू बाजू की चीजों से, दे टेक अ लॉट ऑफ इंस्पिरेशन। आप एज ए कोरियोग्राफर कहां से इंस्पिरेशन लेते हैं सर? कहां से आता है वो, मतलब स्टेप्स जो होते हैं इतने खतरनाक वाले?
First of all, good evening. When we hear the song, the inspiration comes. That's it.
गाना सुनने से ही आ जाता है, मतलब that was a man of few words। लेकिन जब
गाना जब चल भी नहीं रहा होता ना, तो वो भी प्रभु अपना लगा रहता है, he's imagining।
राइट। और सर एक बता देता हूँ, एक गाना जो इससे पहले आया है सर, कीड़ा, वो भी सर मतलब इतना हो गया है कि लोग अब गाड़ियां खड़ी कर देते हैं, रेडियो स्टेशन पे हमको कॉल करते हैं, कहते हैं हमने सोच लिया है, बाइक खड़ी करिए ऐसे और उसके बाद ऐसे अजय सर की तरह। बस ये पूरे टाइम सर ये हो गया उन लोग का फेवरेट पास टाइम। जोरदार तालियां, कम ऑन, एक्शन जैक्सन के लिए।
और आज आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल दिस जेंटलमैन हु हैज नो कंपैरिजन इन बॉलीवुड, चाहे वो उनकी डांस के साथ हो, नाउ विद हिज ब्लॉकबस्टर्स दैट ही इज मेकिंग, एंड लाइक आई सेड वंस अगेन, परहैप्स the most soft-spoken person I know in Bollywood. Prabhu Deva sir, a big round of applause for him. Sir, yes, you make very violent films, sir. लेकिन otherwise, when I see you, sir, you are perhaps the most gentle person I know. मुझे लगता नहीं है कि you can hurt a fly also, sir. So, where is this violent streak come from?
Happy Diwali and good evening. No idea.
That is Prabhu Deva sir for you. 2 words and maybe 4. But I like this. This was a project. It was a nice task. You have a superstar who doesn't really need to even say anything. When he comes on screen, I don't think anybody has a better screen presence than Ajay sir. But you also chose, along with the action, to get your genre in also. That was dance. Are you a difficult taskmaster on the set? Are you very difficult to deal with?
No. That you have to ask with them. But no, I'm very easy.
6 words. Well, we're moving forward, sir. Sonakshi Sinha. Sonakshi is a mascot, and I think every time she's there in the film, it's a lucky charm for you. Maybe a little more about her. Her on the set. And today, ladies and gentlemen, she has a prior commitment. She won't be able to join us, but it would be nice. Now that she's not sitting here, you can probably say more things about her.
Yeah. No, as you said, Sonakshi, I already spoken more about her, and she's very professional and what to say? She's good. She fits in the role, and also when 3 heroines are there, thanks to her for accepting this film.
We've got the gentleman there in front of him. I don't know. I'm a very big fan of performances on screen, and जो actors screen पर आकर बिना कुछ बोले ही या तो अपने गुस्सा दिखा देते हैं, या नरमी दिखा देते हैं, या हंसा देते हैं, and then in spite of that दिखते नहीं है जैसे वर्कआउट कर रहे होते हैं, फिर भी उनके सब जगह डोले निकल रहे होते हैं. They come and do actions so easily. He's got a persona. He is perhaps to me the best performer in the industry. A big round of applause for a gentleman that we all know in this film now as AJ, Mr. Ajay Devgan. I'm having some fanboy moments, sir, quite a bit of them. तो मेरे बोलने से पहले आप ही सर कुछ बोल दें. बड़ी लंबी कास्ट है आपके साथ जिन्होंने आपके बारे में बहुत कुछ बोला.
I don't know मैं क्या बोलूँ. I would like to say happy Diwali to everybody और सबकी दिवाली उतनी अच्छी जाए. और सर
आपसे बोलने वाला था, आपको मैंने आज काफी एक्साइटेड देखा था जब मैं आपके ऑफिस में मिल रहा था कि when you were seeing the trailer, were you also very happy when you saw the trailer over there?
I love the trailer. That's why I'm excited.
Now there's a dance bit also, sir. Here. So when you meet Prabhu Deva, दुनिया आपसे सवाल तो करेगी ही. In your mind also, are you trying to open doors and saying, जो ये बोलेंगे मैं वही करूँगा, या इनके बीच में कोई रास्ता हम ढूंढ लेंगे?
नहीं, जो ये बोलेंगे वो वही करूँगा, तो वो मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया था, और मैं हमेशा ही करता हूँ वो. आज से मुझे लगता है 20-22 साल पहले आई थिंक प्रभु और मैं मिले थे. एक प्रभु मस्ट बी 19 एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, आई वाज 21 और समथिंग लाइक दिस, और मेरी दूसरी फिल्म थी वो, और हम बर्फ़ में एक गाना कर रहे थे. तो उस वक्त मस्ती मजाक बहुत होता था. तो वो गाना बहुत ही रोमांटिक था, उसमें कोई डांस वांस नहीं था, और ठंड में बर्फ़ में शिमला में हम लोग वो गाना कर रहे थे. और
कौन सी पिक्चर के दौरान था सर?
ये फिल्म जो कंप्लीट नहीं हुई एक्चुअली, सिंगर करके एक फिल्म थी, ड्यू टू रीजंस. तो हम बार बार हर शॉट के बीच में प्रभु को जरा प्रभु डांस एंड शो ना, बिकॉज ही वाज फैबुलस एंड वी वर ऑल लाइक, एंड ही वाज आल्सो एंजॉयिंग इट. तो ही वाज 19, ही वाज आल्सो डांसिंग. तो मैं सिर्फ इतना कहूँगा कि पूरा बदला प्रभु ने इस फिल्म में मेरे से ले लिया उसका, जो हमने प्रभु को नचाया.
अच्छी हुई थी, बहुत अच्छी, सभी एक्टर के सभी अच्छी हुई. सारी थी बिल्कुल अच्छी नहीं लगी, कुछ अच्छा नहीं, सब बोरिंग. लव यू अजय देवगन, आउटस्टैंडिंग अजय. अच्छी लगी अजय देवगन, वेरी गुड, नाइस मूवी.
कैसी लगी? अच्छी लगी. अजय देवगन की एक्टिंग बहुत अच्छी.
फुल कॉमेडी.
अजय देवगन की परफॉर्मेंस कैसी लगी?
अच्छी लगी, फुल एक्शन जैक्शन है, फुल कॉमेडी, फुल सॉन्ग्स, गुड, वेरी गुड है, सुपर हिट सॉन्ग्स. डांस भी था, कॉमेडी डांस था, तो बहुत मजा आया मेरे को. फुल कॉमेडी, सुपर हिट है, सैल्यूट करता.
अच्छी मूवी है. अजय देवगन बहुत अच्छी है.
नाइस मूवी, कॉमेडी एंड नाइस एक्शन. तो अजय डबल रोल इज वेरी गुड. डांस इज नॉर्मल, लाइक बेटर डांसिंग. या प्रभु इज वेरी गुड.
कैसी लगी मैम?
एक्सीलेंट, बहुत अच्छी मूवी. अजय देवगन की जो जितनी भी मूवी है ना उसकी, इसमें उसका परफॉर्मेंस एक नंबर. अजय देवगन का डांस का तो ओके था, अच्छा था, लेकिन फर्स्ट टाइम 5 में पूरे 5 दूंगा अगर भी रात में.
नाइस मूवी है. अजय देवगन गुड, वेरी गुड, डबल रोल इन, आई लाइक वेरी मच. उनके डांस की काफ़ी तारीफ हुई है, हाँ डांस तो अच्छा कर लेता है अजय देवगन. 4